What's up? This is G, obviously. I'm here. I'm back. I was in Thailand for 3 months. I went there December the 29th and stayed for literally 3 months straight. And 1 week before I came back from Thailand, Bangkok, this is what happened in Thailand.
4 days after the earthquake, the rush to save lives and extraordinary stories of survival. A woman 5 months pregnant carried out of the debris to applause. A child freed by Chinese rescue teams. And two girls filming the hours they spent trapped under a collapsed hotel with their grandmother before, incredibly, they were freed. In Thailand, this building came crashing down when the earthquake hit, trapping nearly 80 construction workers inside. This woman's husband among them. I cannot talk about it, she says. It's unspeakable. U.S. military personnel now here to help with the search. The magnitude 7.7 earthquake was felt for hundreds of miles. In China, nurses at a maternity ward were holding on to babies as the hospital shook. With an ongoing civil war inside Myanmar, international aid is only now trickling in.
It's one of the most complex emergencies on the planet, and our focus right now, getting those supplies in.
In Mandalay, families are sleeping on the streets, fearing aftershocks. While here in Bangkok, signs of life in the mountain of debris where workers remain trapped.
Now, you see what happened in Thailand? And for some reason, my brother called me up and he was like, yo, you got a family emergency, come home quick, so-and-so in the hospital, come home quick. So I booked my ticket in maybe about 4 days in advance to come back home. And when I got back home, literally 8 days later, 7.7 earthquake in Miramar. Miramar, which is just north of Thailand, and that fault line goes right to Bangkok. And Bangkok shook and shook and shook. I had a condo over there, and thankfully I left a week before the earthquake. 9 days, actually, it was 9 days I was back in the States when the earthquake came. So I was lucky. I was very, 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 very lucky. All right. So, and the one thing I want to say about that is because I'm in the trades, and this is to you guys who are on the fence about having your own business and being in the trades. One thing about being in the trades, I can literally go away for 3 months, still get paid doing some consult work, come back home and go straight to work. Why? Because I ranked #1 on Google. Here's my spot, #1 on Google. And being #1 on Google has its benefits, has tremendous benefits. Number one, the #1 benefit of being top on Google is the customer will call you first. The customer will Google AC repair near me or whatever field that you're in near me, and whoever comes up first on Google, that's who they're going to start calling. Now, this month is, what's this, April? This is April something, April the 2nd, 3rd, or something like that. This is April. Our summer months hasn't gotten here yet, but we're starting to warm up a lot here in Georgia. And because I'm one on Google, as soon as I went back to work in my brain, when I came back, I took 2 days to kind of like take it easy. Home, I didn't do no work. I started work last Thursday. Had a full day Thursday, a full day Saturday. I took a full day Thursday, a full day Friday. I took Saturday and Sunday off, a full day Monday, 2 jobs on Tuesday, and tomorrow's Wednesday. So I had 2 jobs today, and I got a couple of jobs tomorrow already. That's what being on #1 on Google does. It just has the customer go to their phone. They got their phone in their hand, and they're going to put in AC repair near me, electrical service near me. And if you can rank at the top and stand out from your competition, I'm talking about standing out from the competition. And I give little tips and tricks on how to stand out from your competition. You don't have to be just imagine if you're in the woods and there's a bear in the woods and there's 3 guys. It's you and 2 other guys in the woods, and here comes a big bear. And this bear is going to kill somebody. You don't have to outrun the bear. All you got to do is outrun the 2 guys that you with, and the bear hopefully will eat not hopefully will eat one of those guys, but you won't get eaten up. And that's the same thing with the business and the competition. The second reason why you should rank at the top of Google is, number 2 is, that's instant money. I mean, literally instant money, because I'll get a call sometime and check my reviews. I'll show you a review right here. I'll get a call sometime at 8 o'clock in the morning. And I used to be a bail bondsman back in the day, so I'm used to, getting up and going, So at times, I can go straight to the job the same day and get paid the same day, get my review the same day. Customers love that. Fast service. And when you have fast service, that brings me to my third reason why you should rank on Google. You could charge a premium price. If you got 100, 500, 600 reviews, and a customer can see you, hear you, they can literally see your videos on your website, hear your voice, see what you drive, read reviews about you, they'll know, like, and trust you. And you want your customer to know, like, and trust you from their investigation that they're going to do, because they're going to investigate whoever's coming to their house. You don't just get to show up to a customer's house and just start working. No, they're gonna Google AC repair near me, and they're gonna research whoever comes up first, second, or third. They're gonna research. They're gonna read reviews. They're gonna look at your pictures, and the more pictures you got, the more reviews you have, and the higher you rank will pretty much guarantee the phone call. So if you need help with that, that's what I'm doing now. Because if you are struggling to get customers, if you are struggling to get your phone to ring, I can't give you the secret sauce, because there's a lot of ways that you can get customers. I don't have just one particular way, but the way I did it. The way I did it was I took my business to the next level, because I focused 90% of my attention on Google, because that's where customers come from, Google. So if you want to get on Google, y'all need to come through, holler at me if you want to. I got a free strategy call. Some of you guys is taking advantage of the strategy call. And the number one complaint that I get from everybody is, I need my phone to ring. And the only way your phone is going to ring is to be Googleable and findable, researchable. They got to hear about you and see about you, and they want to read about you. So if you can cover all those corners for the customer, your phone will definitely ring. I mean, it will ring to the point where you need an answering service, some type of answering system to answer your phone calls, because you can't answer all the calls. It's crazy. It's crazy how this thing works. It's not hard. It does take time. It's not an overnight type thing. I've been doing this for a while, and it took me a long time to get the number 1 on Google. It took me literally a long time to do it, but I'm there. All right, so that's it. All right, so if you need my help, you know what to do. You can hit that link, subscribe to this channel, like this video, whatever you got to do with that. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for watching my videos. And shout out to my man Joshua. He is my first client who I'm helping right now to go from where he is on his Google ranking to at least getting on that front page. Okay, so we can get his phone to ring. And I'm going to hopefully bring him on soon so you guys can kind of hear his story. He got an amazing story. He's an electrician, an HVAC guy, and he's doing. I just like to deal with him because he's coachable and he's trainable, and he's a go-getter. So if you're a go-getter, if you are a go-getter and you want to raise your status on the Google platform, hit me up. All right, this is G. See y'all later, and I'm out. Peace. Like if you bring your genius, and you bring your genius, and you bring your genius, I bring my genius. If you're looking for a trade, here's the move. Sit down, take note, listen up. Cool G's about to pull in your guys who do it like way longer. Those are the guys that learn from. Hey, listen, the dude who I saw use this, they're doing it way longer than me. I said, what the fuck is that? I said, I'm getting them tomorrow. Cause I haven't bought it. I ain't a fit. They jump real quick and real. I haven't bought a cup link in 4 or 5 years. Heating and air, service and repair, install. Come learn that trade. These are guns right here. See, these are guns. These are bullets. I got my gun right here. And a truck.